assessment asks us how we could produce the other stereoisomers of the cyclopropane product given this original cyclopropanation reaction. There are two variables that we can think about adjusting in order to produce the other stereoisomer products. The first is the starting alkene. We start with a cis alkene. If we change that to a trans alkene, we can access some of the other stereoisomers. The other is the chiral boron reagent. The chiral boron reagent has two stereocenters. If we adjust those stereocenters, we can also produce some of the other stereoisomers. If the original cyclopropanation reaction produces the RS version of the product, if I want to produce the SR version, the enantiomer of that product, then I would want to start with the same starting material, but use the enantiomer of the boron-based reagent. The enantiomer of the chiral reagent will produce the enantiomer of the cyclopropane product. To produce the other stereoisomers, I'm going to need to start with the trans version of the starting alkene. If I start with the trans version of the alkene and use the same original boron-based reagent, then I produce the SS version of the product. And if I start with the trans alkene and use the enantiomer of the boron-based reagent, then I produce the RR version of the cyclopropane product. By mixing and matching the alkene and the boron reagent, we can produce all possible stereoisomers of the cyclopropane product.